What happens when the king of American luxury decides to build a house on wheels? What happens when Cadillac, the brand that defined comfort, prestige, and sophistication for over a century, takes everything it knows about limousines, Escalades, and VIP travel, and creates a motorhome unlike anything the world has ever seen? Today, you're about to witness that machine. This is the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, a rolling luxury mansion engineered for people who don't just travel. They dominate the road like royalty. From the very first glance, the presence is overwhelming. The body is massive, sculpted with long, uninterrupted lines, finished in Cadillac's signature black crystal metallic. Every edge is precise, every contour perfectly carved, and along the side, a 14-foot panoramic glass window stretches like the wall of a penthouse suite, reminding you that this is not an RV. This is a luxury residence that just happens to have wheels. The front design is unmistakably Cadillac, a colossal shield grille wider than most SUVs, wrapped in chrome, floating between razor-sharp vertical LED light blades. These lights don't just turn on, they animate like a luxury yacht welcoming its owner aboard. Behind the grille sits a hybrid powertrain so powerful it can move mountains, a twin-turbo V8 paired with dual electric motors. The result? Over 900 horsepower, more than enough to pull the weight of a house, because that's exactly what it's doing. The wheels are 26-inch polished aluminum turbines designed specifically for long-distance travel. Behind them, air ride active suspension that scans the road 2,000 times per second, lifting and lowering the entire coach so smoothly that even a glass of water won't ripple inside. Now, step closer. As you walk along the side, a silent motor extends a 10-foot illuminated staircase because Cadillac believes that entering your motorhome should feel like boarding a private jet. Soft golden lights guide your steps. As the door opens, a wave of climate-controlled air greets you. Warm in winter, cool in summer, always perfect. Now, step inside. The interior feels like a $5 million Manhattan penthouse, not a vehicle. The floor is real Italian marble, with vibration-canceling mounts hidden underneath. The walls are wrapped in smooth white Napa leather. Above you, a backlit starlight ceiling scatters like a galaxy, customizable, animated, and impossibly beautiful. A massive 85-inch OLED wall is positioned in front of a lounge area crafted from zero-gravity recliners. These aren't seats. These are luxury comfort pods that scan your posture and automatically adjust support. Every touchpoint, from the armrests to the cup holders, is trimmed in real American walnut and brushed aluminum. The kitchen doesn't just exist, it impresses. A quartz countertop stretches along the side, paired with a smart induction system, a hidden refrigerator, and automated cabinets that open with a soft glide. You're not camping, you're living the Cadillac life. Move toward the rear and the luxuries keep getting bolder. The master suite feels like it was lifted from a 7-star Dubai hotel. A king-size bed floats above the floor with ambient lights tucked underneath, creating a levitating effect. Cadillac added noise-canceling wall panels so you can sleep while traveling without hearing a single vibration. But the bathroom. Yes, the bathroom is where Cadillac flexes the hardest. A rainfall shower with heated floors, a smart toilet with automatic cleaning, a mirror with integrated skincare lighting. It's not an RV bathroom, it's a spa. Technology runs through everything like a silent butler. Voice control for lights, temperature, blinds, and media. A full AI concierge that schedules maintenance, finds campsites, and even books restaurants for you while on the move. A 360-degree drone system that launches from the roof and follows the motorhome like a digital guardian, giving you live aerial footage of your surroundings. And then, there's the cockpit. This is where Cadillac's heritage hits hardest. A panoramic dashboard stretches from door to door with a single curved 50-inch display. The steering wheel folds away during autonomous driving, transforming the driver's area into a mini lounge. With Level 4 self-driving, you can actually enjoy the journey, read, watch movies, or simply relax while the Cadillac does the work. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome isn't just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle statement. It's a declaration that luxury doesn't have limits. It doesn't stop at city borders, hotel reservations, or airplane schedules. It travels with you. It adapts to your needs. And it redefines what freedom feels like, not with compromise, but with absolute comfort. This is the future of luxury travel. This is Cadillac stepping into a new world and instantly becoming its leader. This is not just the most luxurious motorhome of 2026. It may be the most luxurious motorhome ever built.